My name is Miss Ishi.
I am 5 years old. Today,
We will make sausage
rolls. The ingredients are bread, sausage, cooking oil, breadcrumbs, tomato sauce, and egg. First step is open your sausage.
Yeah, I help you ya.
Yes. Next step is break the egg.
Okay, here. Careful. Yay! Good job, Clarine.
Mix the egg. Next, press the bread.
Yes, good job.
Next, roll the sausage. Put the sausage roll in the egg. Put in the breadcrumbs. Next, put the cooking oil
Yes, good job. I help you ya.
and cook the sausage roll.
Okay, I help you ya. One by one, okay.
Sausage roll is ready to eat. You can eat with chili sauce and also what is this? Tomato sauce. Yay! Happy eating! Bye bye.
Cheese.
You like it? You like it, guys? Bye.
Bye.
Kampung